everybody. Sorry it's been a while since we've made a video, but we've had a little crazy time because we are back in Canada. Well,
no, we're not. We were back in Canada, but now we came to a place called South Lee, Massachusetts, which is like an hour and a half or 2 hours away from Boston. So my parents have a timeshare in Florida, but you can use it to go to different resorts. So there's a resort here in South Lee. So we're staying here for a week, and then we're actually gonna go to Boston, I think, in a couple days and check that out. You can just bought tickets to go see a Red Sox.
Yes, that should be fun. So we'll let you guys follow along in our trip of Massachusetts.
She's very
standoffish.
Attack motivated.
Why is it like a fluffy microphone?
That gets the stuff away. Like the noise, the wind?
Oh, really? That's cute.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
You want to sit in the front?
No. Alright, so today we're heading out to the Mountain Monument Reservation where we're going to go for a little hike for a little bit. It's supposed to be some nice views. Hopefully we can get the drone out for a little bit of some aerial shots as well, but we'll wait and see when we get there. Oh yeah. Throw it. That's not it.
Monument Mountain Hike.
Come on.
Is going to hike, and I am the leader of the pack.
What do you think?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
I like it.
Out of 10.
12.
Whoa.
It's a good hike.
Alright, so we just finished up at the viewpoint. Had a really nice time. It was cool. We got the drone out as well, which is always a fun time. There's high wind, so like the drone was kind of moving around, so it was really tough to land it. But we got her down and no harm done, so that was exciting. Now we're just gonna head down. The down trail is a little bit tougher, they say, but not for us young athletic people. Okay, so we're back from the hike now. We just had some lunch and now we're headed over to the pool. We're sitting at the pool for a little bit. It's a nice little area, but it's pretty packed. Can't really see it there. There's quite a few people. Katie and I just played some mini golf. Just relaxed for the rest of the day, gonna get some color in us. Where are we going? Oh. The golf game, is it ready?
We're doing great. There we go. We're done golf. I won. I got an eagle and 7 minus ones.
You don't even know what it's called. I didn't win. I lost.
My dad won.
because you cheated.
I was a close second.
He used my broken finger to his advantage.
Yeah. But now we're home.
And he never told me.
I didn't eat lunch, so I'm hungry, so I'll probably eat something. Then we'll have dinner. We're gonna watch The Bachelorette because we didn't watch it last night. And that's our plan for right now. So we're in Boston now, and we just got to Boston Commons, which is a park. We're walking around the park, trying to get to some building.
We're gonna do the Freedom Trail.
Yeah, Keegan's gonna take us on the walking tour that you can download for free.
It's the best.
Yeah.
You will get a really nice shot over there of the dome.
Okay, done.
The dome.
Hi.
Having a good time?
Yeah, it's cool. I like it. USS Constitution. Oh, Constitution. I was gonna say Continental.
So this is our last day here at the resort. We just came back from Boston yesterday. Took us a little while, but we're gonna spend the rest of the day today just relaxing by the pool, play some mini golf, play some shuffleboard, and just chill out for the last day. Right, Melly?
So I'm trying not to get burnt because the first day we came to the pool, the next day I was the same color as the lobster. So I'm hiding in the shade.
Wilson missed us. So we're back from the States. Made it home safely to Wilson, aka Lily. Her name's not Wilson.
No. We had a great time in Boston. The city was really fantastic. Like, so much history to see, so much cool building and architecture. Really had a great time.
Yeah, it was a good trip. Nice to see the fam.
Yeah.
And then next we're going on a trip with
My
Keegan's
fam to Montreal. So we'll let you guys tag along in that. Ah.